Ncentric Systems is offering most effective and reliable computer hardware services. Our services. 1. Computer hardware repairing includes motherboard repairing. 2. Laptop repairing includes laptop chip level repairing services. 3. Printer repairing services like filling ink. 4. AMC support services. 5. Network repairing services like virus removal, network protection. We have 10 plus years of experienced team for resolving customer devices support issues. Our team is well known with chip level servicing. We have more than 1,000 clients only in Hyderabad. Our ultimate goal is customer satisfaction. Our mission is to expand the company into every city of India, as well as get into every house of India. We have telecalling admin team who supports you 24/7. Happy to help.